You know, fireworks actually are pretty cool. Unless you're my dog. Right now they're 50-50 on the skin graft on my ankle. I've been walking on it too much. I mean, how do you tell your doctor you have kids and it's impossible to not walk? I've been doing a lot of reflecting on my last video when I got home. Like I said, they told me I had PTSD because I was on fire and the kids in danger and all that stuff. I just wanted to tell everybody what happened because rumors, you know, rumors abound. So if I just told the story online, then you can just see the story for yourself. Hear it anyway. I've been wondering about that video though. As much as people were so incredibly supportive, it was an internet crying video. I kept thinking to myself, crying on the internet, people won't make fun of me, will they?